no mention my name. Them no feeling on the light. And to home, my little pussy could go without a night. No girl can't style me, suck your mother foot.
Welcome back all of my viewers and subscribers. If you're new, please subscribe so we kick it off. And we're gonna jump in it because I saw it there. So watching the people, dancehall artist Intence, one of the hottest artists them right now in Jamaica, said suburbs and this Foota Hype directly in one song, you see me? Cause you know film style in Alkaline him look up to, so you know end of the day him do certain things like Alkaline, you see me? Him not have time for come out on the media and say certain things, you see me? And you can learn a thing or two if when you pray them man this style, you see me? But anyways people, the man this Foota Hype wicked, me I tell you. Pon a look up preview song pon him Instagram, I'm just show and me I tell you say yo, why him do that? You see me? I'm look pon Foota Hype and me I say to myself, say all him now. Him is a man where, you see me? Him talk anything him feel like. You don't know anybody can talk anything them feel like. I saw the thing go. And you know that. You see me? So the diss track wicked and me I wonder why people and me I go show them why. You see me? So watch that prayer.
Jail and take with Intence girl. Night pantapot night Intence can't see him girl. She has skin out on her head, neck. She have to fix the phone. One of the times her shoes lay, she use tie on the phone on the bulb. So Cartel can see her on her head top upside down. So when you stay there, blood clot stay there. All the artists them you see Cartel and them a kick off a over girl. See Rooksy a laugh there. Rooksy know which girl. See Rooksy a laugh there. Rooksy know which girl Cartel take to make Intence vex. You know how I start talk, yo. Lisa Mercy, you better calm down here and just be a good mother, be a good artist, and allow the Cartel something here.
Alright people, so as you can see, the day I come and chatter buggers in toes and chatter bugger. You see me? Yeah man, so yeah man, and me done broke down everything already and me I say yo, you know say me I wonder how Foota Hype know that, how him know that, you see me? Me I wonder, you see me, I know information and certain things spread fast, you know, you see me? But the way the man I talk about it come like him on the doll today. You see me, yo, but if I want to talk about it, me I tell the people, but a mama man settings that in a big time, you see me? But end of the day, we don't know if nothing goes so, you see me? And hopefully, if nothing goes so, we not go surprise because Rebel, you see how Rebel move people. You see me, I'm telling you, we have more sense than that. Rebel wild in the dog, same love bad girl. You see me? And then one girl alone, the dog have like a dog say, you see me? But anyways, people, you see what the man said? The man say, yo, the man said the girl all tie up phone pants, string on them, some of them. You see me? Nothing good to devolve, gossip people, but you know film style, like, that's why Intence and upset suburbs and this him, you see me? And what you think? You feel like Adesso, everything spring up from. Yeah man, Adesso man. Comment down below. Yeah man people, differently still put certain things aside. The boy Foota Hype, smugly, you know that, yo. But anyways people, you know say, we are jumping to the next piece of the, you know, if it there, I know.
Oh my, look at it. You got your brand new Bentley, bitch. Ah. Happy birthday, mommy. Somebody. You don't worry about that. You just get in that thing, girl. Woo. Oh, your name on it, Made for Joy. Okay, you got gifts on the front seat. Oh my goodness! I'm gonna drive this home. Catch your details on the door now. She don't know what to do. She'll figure it out. Wow. Brand new, honey, all paid for boo-boo. Thank you, love.
Alright man people, so watch a pray there. You see all of that, that's a pure love. You see me? I'm gonna tell you like a Keyshia Kaoir said some buy her mother nice Rolls Royce. You see me peeps, and if you don't know Keyshia Kaoir, why you know? A Gucci man wife that. You see me? I hit man people so differently and thing. So far as a Jamaican descendant girl, as me her mother Jamaican, and if you look upon her mother, you can see it upon her resume. And differently. I love how the connections stay and thing differently. Last time when them come on Jamaican, Gucci man with a beat the Rastafari hairstyle and a cheeky crowd and a beat at one party. You know them way there. But it did look good, you know? As in for say, yo, a big superstar that she bring in at the place and she not get forget her place, you see me? But at the end of the video this is it. Like and share.